already earned more than 600 pesos and the payment was successfully transferred through PayPal. Do you want to make use of your free time wisely? Or looking for opportunities to earn extra income while staying at home? Well, you click the right button. Hello everyone, it's me again, Charlyn, and welcome back to my channel, where you can get some tips and ideas on how to earn extra money online. So if you are just new here on my channel and you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, do it now and tap the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. Dahil dito, nag-a-upload tayo ng mga online opportunities, home-based jobs at app tutorials na pwede nating pagkakitaan. So for today's video, I will share with you another application kung saan pwede tayong kumita ng 600 pesos daily gamit lang ang ating cellphone. Napakadali lang guys. In this app, we can earn money by just doing what we used to do online when we get bored, like reading articles, discussing hot topics, or interacting with friends. The good thing on this application guys ay proven and tested na talaga ito ng marami. It's 100% legit paying application up until now and still adding more features for us to earn. At hindi natin kailangan mag-invest sa app na ito guys. We can download it and earn for free. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's move on to our video tutorial. So, the app that I am referring to you guys ay walang iba, itong si Cashzine. Earn free cash by just reading news break or articles, take offers, and engaging with friends. Sounds interesting, di ba? Kung gusto mong kumita while doing things that you used to do online, well, I think this is the right app for you. Hindi talaga masasayang ang oras mo. Ang una mo lang gagawin ay pumunta sa Play Store at i-download ang app na ito. And by the way guys, available din ito sa App Store for iOS users under BuzzMatch. Magkaiba lang sila ng name guys, pero iisa lang sila. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I will put the link in the description box below para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. Okay, moving on. So makikita nyo dito guys, meron na siyang 4.3 stars at 10 million downloads worldwide. So maganda yung rating niya. I-click lang natin ang install and just wait for a few seconds. And click open to register and start using the app. Okay, here we go. We have to select our favorite content tags. So, i-click lang natin yung mga yan or you can choose any of them and then click I'm finished. At may lalabas dito guys na important statement or agreement at new user bonus. Makikita nyo dyan guys kung magkano yung pwede nyong kitain from day 1 to day 5. Pero hindi lang yan. There's more. And you can earn more. This is only a bonus pack for new users. Makikita nyo yan mamaya as we continue this video. So please stay with me and keep watching. So dito sa important statement guys, i-click lang natin yung OK and then allow access. And then, pumunta lang tayo dito sa Me, dito sa baba, para makapag-register. Okay, here we go. To register, guys, we have two options. We can use our Facebook account or our Gmail account. For me, I will use my Gmail account. So, i-click lang natin tong Continue with Google. And then, may lalabas dito, guys, na modify your country and agree with the terms and conditions. So, iset lang natin yan and then click determine. So ayan, nakapag-register na tayo. So after that, we have to enter the invitation code para makakuha tayo ng 8,000 points. So kung may kaibigan kayo guys na nag-invite sa inyo, you can put their invitation code. Pero kung wala pa, you may use my code na nakalagay dito sa screen. It's 366-82416. And right after you input the code, just click submit and determine para makuha natin yung 8,000 coins. Ayan, pumasok na siya sa ating balance guys. Okay, ngayon ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung iba't ibang ways kung paano tayo makakakuha or makakapag-farm ng coins guys dito sa Cashzine. First, in order for us to earn coins guys, ay kailangan lang natin magbasa ng hot topics or articles. So, i-click nyo lang yung hot topics or article na gusto nyong basahin at makakuha na tayo ng coins. Get bonus coins while this time counts completed a round. So, ganun lang siya guys. Pag natapos na yung timer, mag-earn ka na ng coins. Aside from that guys, you can also earn coins by just commenting on the discussion area. So mag-comment lang kayo dyan or mag-respond kayo sa comment ng iba at makaka-earn na kayo ng coins. Okay, subukan natin ngayon guys mag-harvest ng coins. So umpisahan natin dito sa hot topics. Just click any topic that you want to read. And then just scroll down hanggang sa baba. Para ka na rin talagang nagbabasa ng news guys. Pwede nyong bilisan, pwede nyo ring bagalan. Basta isakto nyo lang na mapuno yung timer niya. Just keep scrolling down at pag napuno na siya, makiklaim nyo na ang inyong coins. Katulad niyan guys, nakapag-earn na tayo ng 20 coins. Okay, let's try another one. So pumunta naman tayo dito sa articles. So just choose any and then the same way, just scroll down. Actually, may tricks na ginagamit ng iba dito guys. They are using the auto-clicker. Isiset mo lang yung auto-clicker and it will scroll down automatically. So, hindi mo na kailangang scroll guys. Kusa na siyang bababa at magka-harvest ng coins according to your settings. I will make a separate video for that just to show you how to do it. So, abangan nyo na lang guys yung mga susunod na video natin. For sure, isa doon ang mga farming tricks natin. So, ayan, nakapag-earn na naman tayo ng another 20 coins. Next, another way of earning coins here guys ay itong daily check-in. So, i-click mo lang itong daily check-in every day and you will receive coins from 50 to 200 coins. Katulad niyan, naka-receive ako ng 50 coins. You can also earn 100 coins by just playing the video, itong nasa taas. So, i-play mo lang yung video guys, may lalabas dyan na ads. Tapusin mo lang yung ads and you will receive 100 coins. Aside from that, there are more options na pwede nating pagpilian dito sa baba guys. You can play games, participate quiz, or answer questionnaires. But for now, ay pumunta muna tayo dito sa isa sa mga favorite ko, itong spin to win or wheel of spin. Napakadali lang manalo dito guys. You will have 10 chances to win coins and 4 times in a day. O diba, more chances of winning, more chances of earning. So you will receive your 10 free spins guys every 3 to 4 hours. Now let's try to spin and we will see kung mananalo tayo ng coins. Ayan, nakakuha tayo ng 50 coins. Not bad. Another spin guys, just keep spinning hanggang maka-jackpot tayo. Ayan. So, again, we got 50 coins. Pwede tayo makakuha ng 50 to 200 coins dito guys. At yung gift box, pag nakuha nyo yan guys, may lalabas dyan na video. And after watching the video, you will get the corresponding points. Katulad nyan. So, I got 50 coins again. So, ganun lang siya guys. Just finish your 10 free spins and you will earn coins. Okay, fast forward tayo. So, now ipapakita ko naman sa inyo guys kung paano kumita through invites. This is the simplest way to earn here guys. If you have many friends, you can invite them also to join Cashzine. And you can get up to 20,800 coins by inviting your friends. All you have to do is copy the message here or share your invitation code to your friends online. Pwede nyo ring i-click yung treasure bonus and you will get 100 coins. And last but not the least, paano nga ba mag-withdraw ng earnings dito sa Cashzine? Okay, so bumalik lang tayo dito guys sa Me at makikita natin dito yung total balance. On the right side, just click Cash Out. At madadirect na tayo dito sa cash out section. So, you can cash out your earnings guys via PayPal or Gcash. So, pag via PayPal guys, you can cash out from 400 pesos up to 1,200 pesos. At nakalagay din dyan kung magkano yung equivalent niya sa coins. At kung magka-cash out naman kayo through Gcash, you can cash out up to 600 pesos, which is equivalent to 960,000 coins. So for now, hindi pa ako pwedeng mag-cash out guys kasi hindi ko pa na-reach yung minimum. But don't worry, pag pwede na mag-cash out, I will prepare another video for that para sa inyo. And before we end this video, let me show you a proof of payment from one of the users na nakapag-cash out na sa app na ito. So ayan guys, he already earned more than 600 pesos and the payment was successfully transferred through PayPal. And that's it. I hope you got something out from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and tap the notification bell para updated kayo guys sa mga upcoming kong videos. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.